guys. US markets are trading very positive, and we've got some bracket of volumes in continuous fashion. These 4 days making a bottom of 25,000, and we are still running some 800 points continuity, and we are trading at upper channel, which found as which I found as a resistance zone, but uh, a consolidation, a bottom somewhere around 25 600 or 610 620 is a buying zone. Whosoever is trading US market can buy this, and I feel this there's a small gap which we have been noticing since long. So this will cross, and this time we are heading somewhat 27,250 or 27,300 zone. Okay, it's a very strong buy, and if you can see, we are we have absorbed most of the selling volumes on the upper channel, and this consolidation shows us some bigger move. I'll explain you over the chart. So I'm talking about this area. So I like this area, and this bottom was a perfect opportunity. And crude again same showing some far smarter move. I'll explain you. So first to understand on DJI is a beautiful buy. If you get that 600, you can long your positions. Your stop loss stands at around 25 380 sorts. Okay, you can have that stop loss, which I don't think it will come. But it's a straight consolidation. So probably 2 3 days here, sometime here. So the moment we cross uh, the moment we cross and close above 25 870, okay, we may see some big rally. So it's a kind of wedge pattern. Again, I'll draw it for you. Somewhat like this. Okay, so wedge patterns are usually meant for breakout, and I've started with DJI because I believe there is a lot of strength with even your crude oil, a lot of strength with this Dow Jones chart, and there is a bit support on volume part as well. So it is ready to break out, and it seems as if more likely that we will touch new high, or in fact we may cross uh, more than that, which I've already given you. So the basic target from this point is 26 431 is max which we can touch, and there will be again a consolidation. So I believe that for next 1 month we are making new high, and from now wherever we are standing, I'll explain your Nifty. Now comes the important understanding. I did that analysis. I'll close you on it. Okay, so you remember that I have given you a buy call. Somewhat it has hit over the target, and we have now started consolidating at this point. This is an above channel line, and you can see that I've drawn this rounding up formation, and we just broke out. So this is the area of congestion, and it will spend some time. So 11,600 is somewhat a capped area. We might cross, but it will be difficult to move beyond 11,600. So what we want is we need a consolidation. So there are few gaps at the bottom. If you can see that this 11,186 is the gap, and at the bottom here 10,860 is again the gap. So these are the gaps which I have drawn with a black line, just to mark that in future if we are dipping, that what are the points which it may fill. So understandingly, if by any chance, okay, so we consolidated this area, and if we are hitting above this channel 11 570 was my area. So if we are hitting this channel, you won't believe that where we are going. So we are going somewhere around 13,800. So we are going 13,800. So that means you can imagine what kind of movement we can expect and stocks which have not rallied. So I was just checking which all stock I'll discuss with you, and certainly it will help you make out some money. So we are in this channel. It will help you once we see this. Okay. So this is what we are doing as of now. Okay, this is a long-term trend line. I'll draw it for you. So you draw like this. Okay. So I am matching this with this. So okay, what we have to measure is we need to measure the length of this. I'll explain you the chart. Just give me some time. So this is price range. So this is wedge breakout, and I'm marking this. Okay, so just for the analysis, all those who are learning, it will help you to sharpen your skills. So what I have done is I have drawn a weekly wedge pattern, and we are standing right at the top. And what I need is I need a consolidation above this channel line, and the maximum drop which I want is 11,450. Okay, so I don't want in any case it should break 11,450. But if we are able to sustain 2-3 weeks above this, and if Dow Jones is moving somewhat 1,000-1,500 points from here, so what maximum stretch we can see is from this point we can add 1,600 points in Nifty. So I don't know how is it possible, but that's what technical analysis uh, teaches us, and I believe 13,700, 800 is the possibility. If that is happening, then what all stocks are moving that we have to analyze, and I'll share that move. So net in net, this is a point of resistance. So Nifty should not move beyond this. It should consolidate, or it again it may fall back. Okay, it may be a false move, or so what max before a rally it can, it can touch this base and again start moving up. So it all depends how international markets are moving. One more thing, I am now more bullish. I've bought crude oil. I guess in our equity analysis group one, somebody has added more crude. So I'll show you. Crude is even heading towards 55, oh sorry, 85, and I bought that position at $70. Was a wonderful opportunity. I'll share this. So I'll show you the chart again at the same time. I'll help you how to trade this market. Okay, so this is a reversal in crude, a channel uh, bottom, and it has made kind of morning star pattern. So it's a good buy, and this time it is consolidating in this belt, which I've already drawn it for you, and you can see that it has made that base and started moving up, and this would be third time. So the rule says that third time is a breakout time. So one it has already touched, second is already touched, third is it will eat the stop losses, and it is heading towards 86, $87. Okay, so we have two negatives. One is that dollar has inched to 70. Okay, it may move up to 72, and at the same time crude is also not in control. So whatever is going to happen beyond 11,500 will be an aggression buy. Okay, so somewhat people who have missed the rally, so market will just try to tap those people, and another 1,600 points move will be a move which may trap a lot of retailers or HNI. So just don't get enticed with the move. There is a possibility, but I'm not so sure. So I need a consolidation above there. So if it's happening, it should happen with a stop loss of 11,450. So anyone who is trading long should have strict stop loss of 11,450. The moment it trades below 450, you just control yourself and just wait for right opportunity again. Otherwise, it is going to be a trap. So what all stocks can move, sharply we'll discuss. At this point, we are at right at the top. So we have very good opportunity for next month. Probably for next 10, 15 days, if it is happening, we will see a sharp move. And you just see all those stocks which are going to break out. So IT and pharma, it's going to be a leader. Banking is already stretched. Banking may, particularly you can see RBL Bank, you can see Axis Bank. Axis Bank can move to 720, 740. RBL Bank has more legs. I like Tech Mahindra chart. I'll share with you. It can move up to again. There's a move of 300 points in Tech Mahindra. So there are a lot of other participants which have still has potential to move up. So you can I'll share the charts. So at this point, just be cautious trading above 11,570. That is going to be my resistance point, and I am taking my strict stop loss of 11,450 at the bottom. So in any case, if you get an opportunity within 2 or 3 days to buy that 11,450, we will buy, and our stop loss is just 30 points. And if it is trading up beyond and it's going 1600, just keep trailing your stop losses, and that's where you make money. Okay, so our stop loss should be less, and the profit should be higher. So that's what I'm just banking upon, and I need bit of consolidation, and I'm just targeting few stocks. And if it gives support to Nifty, then we are going much ahead. So keep that in mind.